Most older adults over the age of 60 are slowly losing muscle in their legs, feeling weaker, and dealing with frequent cramps, yet many do not know the real reason and simply blame it on age. My name is Davis, and I am a specialist in senior nutrition. I work with older adults every day, and I can tell you with confidence that leg weakness is not always caused by aging alone. There is often a deeper issue happening quietly inside the body, especially during sleep. It is something correctable, something most people have never been told about, and something that can change the way your legs feel each morning. As the years go by, the body naturally goes through changes that affect strength, balance, and mobility. Muscle is one of the first things to decline with age, and this process begins earlier than most people realize. When you reach your 50s, your body starts losing muscle at a slow pace, usually 1 to 2% each year. You may not notice these early changes because the loss is subtle. By the time you enter your 60s, however, the pace increases. Your muscles, especially the ones in your legs, begin to shrink faster. They do not respond the way they did before. Walking becomes a little more tiring. Climbing stairs takes more effort. Standing up from a chair may feel heavier. This gradual weakening has a medical name: sarcopenia. It simply means age-related muscle loss. It affects everyone to some degree, but it is much more severe when your body is not getting what it needs to maintain muscle tissue. Sarcopenia can lead to slower walking speed, difficulty with daily tasks, and a higher risk of falling. The muscles that support your legs, including your thighs and calves, are among the most vulnerable. They carry your weight, help you stay balanced, and allow you to react quickly if you slip. When these muscles shrink, life changes more than you expect. Many older adults believe that losing leg strength is a natural part of aging that cannot be improved. They assume it is simply a result of growing older, but research shows something different. A major part of leg weakness, especially after 60, is linked to a shortage of an essential nutrient, vitamin D. This shortage affects far more than bones. It affects your muscles, your balance, your nerves, and even how your legs recover at night while you sleep. Vitamin D works inside the body like a messenger. It helps your muscles communicate and repair themselves. Inside each muscle cell are receptors that respond to vitamin D, especially in fast twitch fibers. These fibers help you move quickly, catch yourself if you stumble, or take a strong step. They are the same fibers that decline most rapidly with age. When vitamin D is low, these fibers cannot repair or grow as they should. This leads to further shrinking, weakening, and loss of strength. Studies have shown that low vitamin D levels reduce the body's ability to make new muscle protein. They also increase muscle breakdown, which leads to even greater loss. When the body has enough vitamin D, the muscle fibers remain healthier and stronger. But when levels fall below a healthy range, muscles struggle to function. This is why many older adults feel weaker even though they have not changed their daily habits. Their muscles simply do not have the support they need. Vitamin D affects what happens inside your body at night as well. During sleep, your muscles are supposed to repair themselves. They rebuild tissue and restore energy. But without enough vitamin D, this rebuilding slows down. Instead of gaining strength, the muscles quietly weaken over time. Some people also experience restless legs or twitching during sleep. Low vitamin D can contribute to these symptoms, making the legs work harder when they should be resting. This adds even more stress to the muscles. Many older adults believe they get enough vitamin D simply by spending time outdoors, but the skin's ability to produce vitamin D decreases significantly with age. By the time you reach your 60s or 70s, your skin produces less vitamin D even with the same amount of sunlight. Dietary habits also change, and foods rich in vitamin D, such as salmon, eggs, or fortified milk, may not be eaten regularly. This all creates a quiet shortage that slowly steals muscle strength. The good news is that this problem can be improved. The first step is making sure your body gets enough vitamin D each day. Experts recommend that adults over the age of 70 aim for about 800 international units per day, either from food or from a supplement. It is important to check your vitamin D level with a doctor to know if you need more than this. Many older adults require higher amounts because their levels are extremely low. When vitamin D is restored, many people notice improvements in strength, balance, and energy. The second step in protecting your leg muscles happens at night. While you sleep, your body enters a long fasting period. If your body does not have enough protein, it may break down muscle tissue to get the nutrients it needs. This can cause further weakening, especially in the legs. But there is a simple and effective solution: eating a small amount of protein before bed. This gives your body the building blocks it needs to repair muscle tissue during sleep. Research has shown that older adults who take in 25 to 30 grams of protein before bed build more muscle overnight than those who do not. A small snack like strained yogurt, cottage cheese, or a protein shake can provide exactly what the body needs. It doesn't interfere with sleep and can make a major difference in muscle repair. This routine supports strength, balance, and mobility and helps protect your legs from declining too quickly. Older adults need more protein than most people realize. The body becomes less efficient at using protein with age, so a higher amount is needed to maintain muscle. Experts recommend 1 to 1.3 grams of protein for each kilogram of body weight per day. This may sound like a lot at first, but it becomes easier when spread across meals. The goal is to make sure your body receives enough fuel to rebuild muscle tissue each day. When vitamin D and nightly protein work together, they form a powerful combination. Vitamin D helps muscle cells communicate and repair themselves. Protein supplies the raw materials for building muscle. Together, they support the legs better than either one alone. Many older adults who follow both steps notice improvements in stability, confidence, and walking strength. They feel more secure in their movements and less fearful of falling. These changes may seem simple, but they can have a major impact on your daily life. Improving leg strength helps you stay independent, active, and engaged with the world around you. It allows you to enjoy everyday moments with greater ease. It helps you get out of a chair without strain, walk through a store without fatigue, and navigate your home safely. Your legs have carried you through your entire life. They have supported you through work, family, travel, and joy. They deserve care, especially now. Muscle loss may be common after 60, but it is not something you have to accept without action. With the right support, your muscles can remain stronger than you think. Your future mobility depends on the decisions you make today. If your legs feel weaker, if cramps wake you up at night, or if walking feels harder than before, these simple steps may help you regain strength and confidence. You are not powerless against muscle loss. You can nourish your body, support your muscles, and protect your independence. Your strength is still there. It simply needs the right tools to return.